Um, hey guys, it's me, Joshua, back with another, SoulShatters video. Wait, there's no music, I don't like that. Yeah, so back with another, thing video. Yeah, so, I'm gonna be showing you another, you know how, like, in the map that overlooked New Home, there was a way to glitch under the map, and then you can murder people, as I did. For the Waterfall map, there's a way to glitch into somewhere, and for some reason, all I know is you can only do this as Betty. So basically, you want to reset. Kumu gets you the hate thing. Now you can teleport. So you want to scroll out all the way, bring your cursor all the way here, and teleport. Ah, frick. I did it wrong, and that killed me. At least I don't have to sit through any, like, death dialogue. I don't like death dialogue. It's boring. Anyways, so I'm gonna see if I can land on that right there. Oh frick, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna try here. I'm gonna say now. I have no idea what's happening. Frick. Okay, I don't know why this isn't working. I tried this like a couple days ago. I don't think that it's been patched already. Okay, maybe you have to do it in that one specific area where everyone is right now. I can still hit them with a certain move, and they can still hit me with a move that, like, travels forward. Like, I don't think I can be touched by Hyper Gunner, though. And they can't lock on to me, nor can I to them, though. If the only way to get out is teleporting, and the only way for someone in is to know the glitch. So, but yeah, I also want to try deflecting hate balls or something. And I'll probably do that later or something, off camera. Just something I want to figure out myself. Don't get near me, casually brings them. Okay, as long as I'm not attacking anyone, no one should be angry at me. I remember someone was mad at someone else just for being Betty. Except they said it baddie. Ah, there we go. I'm back here now. See, oh, Sans. I can't lock onto them. I'm pressing L and the mouse button thing. The middle mouse button. But it still can't lock on. But I can go. Oh no. Wait. Oh. Okay, it's wrong move. Haha. I knew that, see? Oh my god. Oh my god, which one is it? Hey! Stop! Okay, so Sans, since he too has a move that can travel. Yes, this. You can do that. And from what I know, that one hit Sans. Stay still. Don't worry. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Keep it there. Yes. Good Sans. Oh my god, it's not working. Why won't it work? Please, 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 I gotta murder him. Ah, you got him. Well, I can't get him now. Well, yeah, this is that, so there's that glitch. You can't really play around with it too much, sadly, because of the limitations. Let's see, someone's over here. Hi, Asriel. Just a normal Betty Noir. Not here to completely obliterate you. Like I said, not here to obliterate you. Just a friendly neighborhood Betty Noir. Oh my god, why isn't it working? Do I need a... Okay, I did that. Be nice to me, game. Let me use it! Oh no. It's still not letting me use it. Oh, great. If I get too close right now... Alright. Please let me still get their soul. Please, 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 please. They haven't moved yet, have they? No! Hey! Stop! Hi! They look confused. Haha! You missed me. Oh, don't worry. I'm also trying to kill you. Finally! Wait, it's not gonna work! Oh my god, this is the wrong direction. He's actually in the wrong... I hate him. Yeah. Well, that was really all I wanted to show you guys, so, yeah, have fun with that knowledge. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this short, tip video. Yeah, subscribe, share channel with other people, don't get coronavirus, that's one thing, bye.